into yenza uJesu abizeke yile faith nayingekho angeke kuyatshela the blind man nakathi oh son of David ngenze ngibone it was not the voice it was the faith depicted in the voice uJesu wavimba ifaith yakhe lalela abantu bekabamba nabekala that's why what oh ye of little faith mara umuntu bekane faith umuntu bengahambi nabe ka blind then wamisa uJesu now ne faith uJesu noma jahe kangakanani uyama mara nonganayo leyo substance uzokudlula because you only speak his language which is the word so nongana faith you don't have a portion of him in you. Amen. Amen. You are identified by him. And if he comes, did you know when Jesus will come? He will not look at Chapari Shumala. How dedicated you were. Or Shumala every Sunday in Chuduge, Sunday in winter. Or Shumala 4 seasons, 4 summers, or whatsoever summers. Nagayeta, we magnet. Ufuna lento is a match. Like matching time. If what he is does not match what I am, you will pass me by. But the experience of preaching and the experience of coming to church. It's not how much you come to church, yet it's impossible. It's important because a real child of God will know I must be in the house of God. And yet it's not how much you come, it's the faith. Because if you come here and the faith is not built up, you're useless. Amen. Because when he comes, you will not count how many times you were in church. You want to be ignited and united with what is inside. He come and look for what is his. If he does not find it, he pass. Now tata ichokar, what do you call it? A magnet. Uthatha insimbi, nayifika ensimbini iyabamba. Ayibuzi. Ngoba why it's identified. Iyabamba. NoNkulunkulu izwi lakhe. Rapture is a magnet. Nakayehla. Ebanganayo, he's the word. So we are also the word. We are the portion of the word. You only come to get the word because his word. If you're not word, he will leave you. Nakayehla is a magnet. Kosele thina sibe one, sibe united. Bese nahlangana bese na into engize. Akabuzi wena ngokwakho the thing will rapture you. But if you're not part of him, he will go. Bese look like the 5 virgins who knock at the door, but we don't have all. Why? Something was missing. Amen. Amen. Are you still with me? Amen. To know him is life, the person. Not to know about Christ. To know him. Not to know about him.